fully loaded Rivian R1S SUV shows 106, 515 price on Configurator. See, you're mad about the Bronco. People are really mad about the Rivian. I saw John Rettinger flipping out.
Oh, wow.
On Twitter. He said, that's
Rettinger?
enough.
He never flips out.
Flipping out. Go to his Twitter. He flipped right out. He said,
that's a US dollar too.
How dare you? He didn't say that. Let's see what he actually said, because he had 2 of them on order, I think.
He's just on his Twitter with a picture choking himself.
He had, look. Okay, no. I guess Quinn Nelson is angry too, but scroll down a little bit more. Here you go. Best way to voice your concerns is with your wallet. Ooh. Pre-order canceled March 1, 2022, and then post it, and then go down. There's a reply to it. I get changing prices. It happens, but changing it for those that have already reserved is a really bad look for Rivian. We have an R1T and an R1S on order, both of which are way more expensive today than yesterday.
He's fired up.
That's fired up, right?
He is fired up.
Rivian's price hikes mean that a fully optioned R1S will easily break $100,000. Obviously, they encountered money issues, right? And they're like, we're going to charge a little bit more here. Plus, they probably tremendous demand. They can't make them fast enough. So they're like, well, and this happens in automotive. They're like, what if we just charge more?
Yeah.
Dealers have been doing markups and things, but there's no dealers here.
Yeah.
Yesterday, Inside EVs broke the news on Rivian's hefty price hikes and delivery dates for the R1T pickup and the SUV. Many reservation holders took to social media, including John Rettinger. The only way to avoid them is to accept a downgrade from the 800 horsepower 4-motor powertrain and large battery to the 600 horsepower dual motor setup. Yeah, it's not a good customer experience, is it? When they're like, you can keep your price, but the car's going to be worse than the one you ordered.
Yeah, it's terrible. It's absolutely terrible to say sell something to somebody for this price and then change the price on them. Like that's
I mean, I'm sure in their terms it says we're allowed to do this.
Yeah.
And you can cancel at any time. But yeah, the person felt special. They had their pre-order.
Yeah.
Starting with the exterior, we chose the adventure package. Oh, this is how they optioned this very expensive R1S with like all the features on it. But ultimately, the key here is that the price went up a lot. Click over there. Oh, okay. Click on the other trending story to the right. Well, let's just figure out this price increases. Yeah, click there. The price increases are not loved so much. And let's just see. The dual motor R1T base price, $67,500. Dual motor starts at $70,000. Both prices are before incentives are factored in. How much of a hike is it? Oh, there we go. An increase of 20%. So 17% for the R1T price increase. And R1S has a price increase of 20%. So it's not nothing. The R1S goes from $70,000 to $84,000. And then, of course, this affects certain options and things. What do you know what, Will, since you're in the market for a vehicle, since you're in Bronco land, what do you think about this situation?
Definitely not going to get this. This is really expensive.
Well, never mind the fact that it's expensive. Just the concept that you have a pre-order and then the price changes.
Oh, yeah, I don't like that.
And then they say, you can keep your pre-order, but you're going to get the other trim level. The lower trim level.
The lower one, too. So you get downgraded as well as a...
You get down. If you want to keep the price, you get downgraded. Oh. Or you're going to pay this extra.
No.
You're
cancel.
You're canceling
I'm
as
with
well.
Rettinger.
You're with Rettinger.
Yeah.
Will's on Team Rettinger. So
you have a good point, which is that there are no dealerships in this Rivian use case. Because for Will's other use case, which is the Bronco, he would have to go to a dealership and the dealer would crank the price up on him. So he wouldn't necessarily be mad at Ford. He'd be mad at the local Ford dealer who cranked the price on him. So
they're doing it right now. We could open up Auto Trade. They're doing it right now.
It's a different situation, but yeah, I mean, I got to be with Rettinger as well, I think.
Well, and then I'll also just say this, and I know they got big backing. You got Bezos. You got Bezos billions.
Big Bezos.
You got big Bezos on board. You got big Bezos billions on board.
You guys biceps too.
That's the bonus. Oh. Anyway,
that was good.
There's not enough electric trucks out there right now. And people have their pre-orders and they're sitting there thinking, okay, maybe I can get an order in for like F-150 electric, or maybe Elon will get that Cybertruck pumped out at some point.
Yeah.
But people are desperate for an electric truck to hit the market. And I think a lot of people are going to put up with this, even though Rettinger didn't and you wouldn't. I think a lot of people are just going to take it and they're like, I just want it.
Yeah. This is the forefront of like truck technology.
It's the only electric truck that seems to be shipping, right?
Yeah.
Although I even that, how many units, and you go and try to order it and like it's still so far away.
Did you try to order one?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think it was like you'll get it in 2027 or something, you know?
Did you get an email about a
I don't think I actually ordered it.
Oh, okay.
If that's what you're asking. But I think I like
window shopping.
Okay,
like
let's go. Let's try to order. Okay, let's go. Let's try to order it right now and see what happens.
I remember I was interested in it and I was talking to you about it and I had no concept about how much money these were actually going to cost.
I know.
I thought it was like in a grasping, in the Bronco range. Not at all.
These are so expensive.
Yeah. I was looking at the R1S.
No, I mean, it's very cool.
Yeah. Super cool. It's my lifestyle out in the woods and stuff,
Yeah.
But yeah. No, the R1S.
So this
is Canadian prices.
Oh, you got Canadian prices? Okay, look, dual motor delivery begins 2024. Oh, so what about quad motor? Okay. Learn more about delivery timing. Just click on that button right there. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Okay, delivery timing. New pre-order holders, 2023 is the earliest we will begin delivery. So the earliest I would get it is 2023. And that's like a whole year. Beginning of 2023, end of 2023. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So
they're going to delay it on you too.
It's rough, man. You're buying these trucks years ahead of when you're going to get it. And I think I already have an order with a Cybertruck. So is it going to beat that getting here? Probably not at this point. My order? I don't know. Elon, what's going on?
When do you realistically think you'll get the Cybertruck? Guess.
I don't know. Guess. Did we get a Cybertruck update? Because my pre-order on the Cybertruck was pretty fast. They only need like $200.
We got a Cybertruck whistle.
Well, you should check your email. Maybe you'll get
a Cybertruck update.
Yeah.
No, I got no update on it. Cybertruck is whatever we see in the news is what's going on. It got delayed again.